In this episode, we will try to reset the changes that are committed. So locally committed changes. Let's create a change. So b.txt, we want to modify here. The contents are modified here. Okay. Control O, Control X, git add this and git commit -m only local change or local commit. This should not go remote. So if we look at the log, so we can see here our local head is moved to a new commit, which is only local commit. Now this code is basically committed to the local branch, and we want to get rid of it. So one way is to use the command git reset, and then we can use soft, and we want to move our head 1 point back. So it's like head -1. So head tilde sign and the number that you want to go. So we want to go 1 step back. That's why I use 1. If we want to go 2 step back, so you'll use tilde sign 2. Whatever the number of heads you want to go back, so you can use that. So using soft will have an impact. So let's enter. If we look at the log, we can see here the local commit. There was another commit after that. If we scroll down, yeah, so there was another commit 620. This 620 is gone. Now our head is again, our local branch is again pointing to -1 index or -1 position. So the local commit is gone. If we look at git status, so the change that we have done is again untracked or unstaged. So we haven't get rid of the change, but we get rid of the commit. If we want to get rid of the changes as well, so one way is to reset, that we looked at in the previous episode. But what if we want to commit it again? Git add these changes, git commit, so local only change, git log. So again we are 1 commit ahead. So this is now new commit. I want to get rid of the commit as well as the changes. So this time, instead of soft, we will use hard. After using this command, if we look at git status, so all the changes are gone. If we look at the log, here the commit is also gone. So when we use hard, we get rid of the commit, we get rid of the changes in the file. If we use soft, so we only get rid of the local commit, but changes stays there if we want to change them or if we want to modify them in another way. So yeah, let's see you in the next episode, where we will talk about how to revert the changes which are committed. Okay, thank you.